We have done a number of projects with Oggie flooring, and we felt that and feedback from clients and sort of results of installation teams and all of that, that's the right option for us. The ease of use, ease of specification, the feedback that we get from them, the maintenance manuals that helps us getting it over to clients. We have not had one comeback on any installation with Oggie. I'm aware of Oggie being used at different cladding materials as well, not just flooring. We've successfully used it in other projects in ceiling elements. I would definitely use Oggie again. The level of professionalism and service, but also the quality of product is a great thing.